Hello everybody. In this video I want to take a few minutes to show you how I'm going to organize my Schoology page for this year in pre-calculus. So first of all, I'm sure you guys know how to get to Schoology, but here's what I do. I go to Braves link and I scroll down, find Schoology, click on that. So this is the teacher perspective, but I assume yours is somewhat similar. You would have a list of all your courses, and for my course obviously you want to click on pre-calculus. And here's how it's set up so far through Unit 1. At the very top, you're going to see a Zoom link to my pre-calc office hours. I'll talk a little bit more about how I'm going to organize Zoom, but basically it's going to be the same link all year long. And all you have to do is click on that and wait for me to let you into the meeting. Now, don't pay attention to the date because I think it says something like July 1st, 2021 at 9 o'clock. The reason we did that is so we don't have to create a separate link every single time we want to have office hours. So it's just going to be the same link for all pre-calc office hours. And what I'll do is I'll send out a Brave Square message, or I'll let you know in class when those office hours are going to be for that particular week. The next folder, Student Parent Resources, and here's going to be the course syllabus as a PDF. And this YouTube video right here is just me kind of explaining that course syllabus, going into a little bit more detail. And then our first unit. All right, all of our units are going to be organized the same way. So in our first unit, functions, the folder that is at the top is going to contain the calendars and the assignment sheet. So obviously this year with the hybrid model, we've got two cohorts, Cherry and Gray. If you're a Cherry student, you're going to click on this calendar. If you're a Gray student, you're going to click on that calendar. But just to give you an idea of what it looks like, basically you'll have a calendar for the entire unit. So if you're a Cherry cohort, you can see here the white blocks are the days that you are in class and the gray blocks are the days that you are remote. And it kind of explains what we'll be doing every single day. All right, lesson 1.1, video lesson 1.2, so on and so forth. Okay, next folder is going to be blank notes. Now in pre-calc, we do not give you note packets. All right, you are responsible for taking your own notes and determining on your own what you feel is important to include in your notes and what you feel like you don't need to include. And we treat this as a college course. So, in college, you're not going to be given note packets. You have to organize your notes and your classwork, the best, what's best for you. So if you want, you can print these out ahead of time, or maybe you just have this outline, and when you're writing your hand notes, you use this as a guide. But anyway, the blank notes are there. Next folder, filled in notes. You get the idea. These are the notes that are filled in. So basically what I do in class on the smartboard for that particular day. Now, normally this is all we have in here. And copying notes down doesn't really show you how to do it. So this is what's going to be critical for this year. We are going to have a video lesson for each lesson in the unit. In this file right here, this PDF basically copies all of those links in one location. So if you want to download this to your phone or your Chromebook or whatever you happen to use, it's got the links in one location. Some of you might prefer to go through Schoology every day for the lesson. That's fine. Those are here as well. Okay, so you could also click on these links right here. Next folder down, homework worksheets. The assignment sheet up above, assignment 1 might be worksheet 1.1, questions 1 through 5, worksheet 1.2, questions 7 through 10. Here's where you get those problems. Next folder, homework keys. So after you complete an assignment, you can check it with the homework key to see if you did them correctly. And if you didn't do them correctly, it's very, very important that you find out what you did wrong, or if you don't know, ask for help. All right, send me a Brave Square message, see me in class, make sure you know how to do those problems. And then lastly, unit review and work sessions. Now these work sessions and this review will be passed out in class, but the reason we post the blank copies here, let's say you're a Cherry cohort and we pass out work session 1.1 on Monday and it's due on Tuesday and you're not in class on Monday. That work session is still due on Tuesday, whether you're in class or not in class. All right, I know a large portion of this course is going to be remote this year, so since you're not going to be in class Wednesday or Thursday or Friday, it's got to be turned in on Tuesday. So all of those will be here. That means you can print them out at home, fill it in, You can check it because if you notice, the keys are also posted, and then you can turn that in the following day. All right, so there's a summary of my Schoology page and how it's going to be organized throughout the year. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Parents, you can email or message through Brave Square. Thanks for watching this video, everybody, and we'll see you soon.